Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI POCO F3 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big red button at the center. We can also go to the right corner to this one to get access to more options about the video we can manage. I want to show you the quality connected with speed. You can pick this whatever you need. Now let me stay, for example, on this kind of settings and let me start recording to show you how it works. And let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. Now we have to play this by tapping on the center and allow me video to access to our files. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.